But here we are just in the orchard between rows, just to show you what we got. The white is a wild strawberry. So we have wild alpine strawberries, dandelions. The dandelion leaf is edible. I think the root is too. These beautiful purples, I forgot what they're called. And that's just now. We also have a few different colors of aster in here and a bunch of plants I don't know. Oh, actually, let's go see if we can find this is milkweed. This is milkweed coming up. Awesome for monarchs. Found it. It's hanging up by the black currants here. It's on its way out. Kind of looks like a cat foot. This one's called pussyfoot. Inspired by Miracle Farm or Miracle Orchard, I try to not mow more than half at any time to get plenty of space for the animals and the insects and, well, like amphibians and snakes and all that good stuff. So what I try to do is I mow the middles because my irrigation line goes along the path I didn't mow. And then if I want, once these alleys grow back, then I can come through with a hand scythe and just tidy up on the south side of all these plants. But look what I found slithering around, which is why I do this. Otherwise there would have been no cover for it. So here we go.